This is Unit 3 review, derivatives, review number 3, question number 16 and 17. So number 16 and 17, they ask you to find the second derivative, which means you first have to find the first derivative and then take that derivative. So number 16, when you go to look for the derivative, first you have to rewrite this. You can see g of x is rewritten here. Whenever you have a radical, it's going to be a fractional exponent, so it's x to the 5/4. All right, minus the 7 over 5 stays exactly how it is. Bring the x to the 4th up to the top as x to the negative 4th, and then plus 5x. And then you just proceed to take your derivative from there. So the 5/4 comes out to the front, x to the 1/4, again, subtracting the 1, top minus bottom, 5 minus 4 gives you the 1/4. All right, negative 4 times by the negative 7 over 5 gives you the 28 over 5, x to the negative 5th, and then plus 5. When you go to take your second derivative, you're going to take the derivative of what we just got as our answer for the first derivative. So now the 1/4 is multiplied to the 5/4, which gives me 5 over 16. X to the, again, top minus bottom, 1 minus 4 is negative 3 over 4. All right, second part, take the negative 5, multiply it to the 28 over 5. The 5's cancel, becomes a negative 28, x to the negative 6. And the derivative of the 5 just goes away. Derivative of any number, again, is 0. 17, you're going to do the quotient rule. So they're going to do bot d top. So the derivative, or you do the bot, there it is, 7x squared plus 2x times by the derivative of the top, which is just 3. Minus, remember quotient rule is always a minus there. Rewrite the top, d bot. So the derivative of the bottom is going to be 14x. That's all over the bottom squared. And now it's really just about simplifying the top. So distribute the 3 through, 21x squared plus 6. Distribute, be careful here, a negative 14x. It's a negative and a 14x. Distribute that through, you get negative 42x squared plus 56x. Bottom stays the same. Combine together like terms on the top, and you can see you get negative 21x squared plus 56x plus 6. All over, again, the same bottom. So that is now what I will use to solve for my second derivative. So again, bot, rewrite it. Derivative of the top, this is just going to be the power rule, negative 42x plus 56. Minus again, from the just the formula that you use for quotient rule. Top, rewrite it. Derivative of the bottom. So now to do the derivative of the bottom, which is what this is right here, we need to follow the chain rule. Remember, whenever you have something inside of parentheses raised to an exponent, you use chain rule. So you take the 2 out to the front. So it's 2, leave the inside alone to the first, and then now take the derivative of the inside, which is the 14x. Again, the whole bottom now is squared, so that we double that, that goes to the 4th. And now we just try to simplify. So we notice here that there is a 7x squared plus 2. There's 2 of them there. There's 4 on the bottom, and there's 1 here. So I can cancel out this 1. This is going to become 3. See that in the answer? There's only going to be 1 left over. You see that in the answer. The negative 42x plus 56 comes down. And then over here, you have that 2 and the 14x is going to be multiplied together. I don't like how this answer is written here. 2 times 14x is going to give you a minus 28x. I would like to see that up front. And then rewrite this piece. All right, so the only difference here is the 2 times 14 is going to give you 28x. Put it up here, so it's going to look like a minus 28x. And then the rest of that.